Here's a 2016 Acura MDX. Flexible and luxurious, this MDX is a statement of smart sophistication. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather sport seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, auto tilt-away steering column, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver notes it seems Acura has taken one of our favorite luxury SUVs and made it incrementally better. Acura believes if there is a better way, take it. That philosophy shines through in this vehicle. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.